Hi, Lane Mendelsohn here. I am in the offices of Support Your Troops. As you can see, this is a nonprofit organization that my company has been involved with for about 10 years now, and it's a very worthy organization and cause, and that's why we've chosen to support it for so many years. I want to let you know that leading up to the Veterans Day holiday, our company, VantagePoint, is going to commemorate the holiday in two ways. First of all, if you are active duty military, if you are a veteran, if you're a family member or a dependent, or even someone in the community like myself who's giving time and money to support our troops, please mention that to a member of our team. We've got a special gift, a special thank you for your efforts and for your commitment and dedication that you've made. In addition, we're going to be giving a portion of our revenue leading up to the Veterans Day holiday. So any business transactions that you're doing with VantagePoint, that is going to have a positive and meaningful impact for our troops and our veterans. So I want to thank you in advance for your commitment, your dedication, and to all of our veterans and all of our troops, thank you for the daily sacrifices that you've made so that the rest of us can enjoy the freedoms that we've come to enjoy. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.